In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Bill.com with QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have Bill.com connected through QuickBooks so your bills, vendors, and payments can flow between the two without manual data entry. Make sure you're signed in to the correct QuickBooks Online company and that you have the right permissions to add apps, since the integration lives inside the QuickBooks app experience. Start in QuickBooks Online and go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type My Integrations, then select it from the results. This brings you to the Integrations area where QuickBooks lets you discover and manage connected apps. Once you're there, open the Find Integrations tab. This is the place to look up new apps and start a connection. Use the search field and type Bill.com or simply Bill. The official app will appear in the results. Click it to open the app page. This page is helpful because it outlines exactly what the connection does, what data can sync, and what permissions the app will request. Take a moment to review the details, the benefits, and any notes about how vendors, bills, and payments sync. You'll also see information like who publishes the app, customer ratings, and links to documentation. Spending a minute here helps you understand how the integration will behave in your workflow and what to expect after it's connected. When you're ready, click Get App Now. QuickBooks will guide you through the authentication and connection steps. Typically, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Bill.com account, confirm the QuickBooks company you want to connect, and grant the necessary permissions so the two systems can talk to each other securely. Follow the prompts on screen and read each permission so you know what you're approving. If you're asked to confirm sync preferences, choose the options that match how you manage vendors, chart of accounts, and bill approvals. If you don't see a prompt you expected, just continue with the flow. QuickBooks and Bill.com will only ask for what's needed to complete the connection. Once you finish those on-screen steps, the integration activates. From here, Bill.com and QuickBooks Online will begin syncing based on the defaults you selected during setup, and you'll be able to manage your bills in Bill.com while keeping your accounting in QuickBooks aligned. If you ever want to review settings or disconnect, you can return to the My Integrations area to manage the app. And that's all. You've successfully connected Bill.com with QuickBooks Online, reducing manual entry and keeping your books accurate and up to date.